Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we're going to learn how can we export or how can we save or how can we produce a video from Camtasia in 720 pixels. Okay, so let's suppose this is a video and we want to export this video as 720 pixel. So for that, we have to click on this share option and then select the first option, local files, and then click on this arrow and you will have this list where you have to select this one, not this one, 720 pixels. Select and then click on next. Enter a name and then click on finish. If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.